Is your Toyota Tacoma's AC blowing hot air instead of cool? Let's figure it out. First up, check the basics. Sometimes it's as simple as a blown fuse. Locate your fuse box and look for any broken fuses. Next, let's talk refrigerant. Your Tacoma might be low on refrigerant. This can happen over time or due to a leak. If you suspect a leak, it's best to let a professional handle it. Now, moving on to the AC compressor. The compressor is like the heart of your AC system. If it's not working, neither will your cool air. Listen for any strange noises when you turn on the AC. If it sounds like a dying robot, that might be your problem. Don't forget the condenser. If your condenser is clogged or damaged, it can't cool the refrigerant properly. Check it for any debris or blockage. Lastly, the cabin air filter. Over time, it can get clogged with dust and dirt. A dirty filter restricts airflow and makes your AC struggle. So there you have it. 5 common reasons why your Toyota Tacoma's AC might not be working. Remember, some issues are quick fixes, but others need a pro's touch. Stay cool out there.